it's William with the Riverstone Life, and you know what? We got another review. Yes, it's another backup camera, but you know what's so cool about this now? Now they have the tire pressure right in the camera. So I don't have to have two of these things on my dash now. I love this idea. Plus, I'm going to tell you something. I've already done reviews from this company. The last time we did the Byte Tango BT11 camera, it was a game changer. So if you haven't seen that video, watch that video first. But the problem with that was we have a newer truck, and the thing was designed to clip over the mirror. And it was a great design because most people don't have room for it. It was easy, simple, right there where they could see it. If you had an older vehicle, just a normal mirror, it was awesome. But you know what? It didn't work for me. I used the camera for other things, but this is a game changer because you know what? The Riverstone came with a rear backup camera, and it comes with that little TP, whatever the hell, what are the things called? They're called TPMS. You know, it's an air pressure thing to me. Ours comes with a little one, so now I got the big one hanging up there when I'm bouncing down the road. It's bouncing all over, and then I got this little one bouncing all over. You know, and I've had nothing but problems with that one because it would tell me I have low tires or flat tires, and there was nothing wrong with them. So I just stopped using it and just started checking my pressure 2-3 times a day everywhere we went. That's why I have an air compressor and I have all that. But now these guys come out with this new one, and you know what? I don't think anybody else on the market has this. So this is what you want to look at. This thing sells for like $649. So you're gonna pay a little bit for this one, but you know what? You'll pay $300-400 for the other one, and then another $300-400, and you got that much wrapped up in two in the first place. And here you're getting something from a company that already knows what they're doing. It's done a great job. It actually comes with another, like a booster antenna. So if you got a really long system or something like that, you can put this in the camper in the front of it, or hook it to the back of the truck in case you need to boost that camera 45 feet away. I've never had that issue even with this Riverstone. The last one they sent me the same thing, and I didn't even have to use it last time. But this is going to be a two-part video. What it is I'm going to talk about the product because I already know how good the product is. But then I'm going to mount it to the fifth wheel because I'm going to keep this one and use this myself because this gets rid of two things in the truck, and I just get one from one company that I've already used and liked. Yeah, I'm not happy with the system this Riverstone came with. I'm not happy with the tire monitoring system they gave me. They're in the tires. I can't even get them to work half the time. When I first got it, I actually connected it to the truck. Then they did an update on the truck, and now I can't even do that. So I'm going to start using this system. So this is going to be a review that goes on for a while. When I'm here next time, I'm going to get it all mounted up and everything. But then I'm going to take the sensors with me, and I'm going to try to put them on these travel trailers and stuff that I'm hauling around the country so that I can just test it that way too. Because I already know how the camera works. We all know how the camera works. I've already used their camera and stuff. So I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about the testing of the air pressure monitoring system. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got in here. This company's been great. I mean, the communication, the last video I did with them was awesome. They get it to you so fast. Everything comes exactly the way it's supposed to. Never have any issues. And this product was the same as the other one. And I don't even think you can, I don't even know if you can, I mean, these are not on Amazon or anything yet. So Robin will put a link below in the description and everything if you want to get one right away. You know, just remember it's a new product, so sometimes it might take a little longer than normal. I say that because I know how bad people can get on YouTube sometimes when they don't get it right now. But that was over in COVID. It doesn't work that way anymore. Sometimes they take a little longer. So, but it has the same camera, so I've already dealt with this camera. I played with the last one. It works great. That's all there. Let's see what the monitoring system looks like. I was kind of curious about this because my other one is so big and bulky. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. You can feel the weight in it. You can feel the quality in it. I mean, this is a nice monitor. I want to see how it hooks up and everything onto the truck. So let's see what we got here. Looks like it does come with the windshield mount. So it does have a windshield mount. It looks like. Okay, it spins loose like that. Kind of reminds me like on my camera, the way things hook on my camera. And you can slot it in that groove like that. And you can, and you can stick it to the windshield. Very nice quality, very nice construction. I like all that. Let's see what you got here. Looks like it might have one that you can, it's got a 3M tape type one that you can do to your dash. This is probably the one that I'll use. So you could stick that to your dash somewhere, and then the same thing works on that monitor system this way. I mean, this one's really high quality, even compared to the last one. Yeah, see. So you can mount that on your dash like that. You have it right there, and you're going to have all, you know, it says right in there, TPMS, TPMS. It's right there. Let's see what we got here. A signal booster, so you can actually, yeah, they were telling me about this on the phone. So probably what I'm going to do on the signal booster is I'm going to hook it in the bed of my truck back there, or maybe in my inside my tailgate, and just wire it, hardwire it. It's 12 volt, you know, and just, that's a signal booster. I mean, you could probably put it on your fifth wheel too, but I was thinking the reason I'm going to put it in my truck is I'm going to try to use these sensors for the tires on other units that I'm hauling, so that I don't have to worry about checking pressure, have a better idea. So if it's already hooked to my truck, the camera's not going to work until I'm hooked to my fifth wheel that I haul. But on these other little travel trailers and stuff, I'm going to put the tire sensors on the tires that I'm hauling, and then this booster will be back there at the back of the truck. So that's the plan here. So that's why I'm saying this is going to be a two-part deal. I mean, I already know how their system works. I know that this monitor is the nicest monitor I have seen. The one that came with this expensive Riverstone is a big chunk of crappy plastic, I can tell you that. This is nice. This is nice. So yeah, it's got two signal boosters. Maybe one might be for like the monitoring the tires. The other one might be for the camera. Let's see what else we got in here. So there's what I'm looking for right there. There's the tire monitors. You just screw them right onto the tires right there. So the whole system is right here. That's what I was loving about this, because I figured I could take this with me, put it on whatever I'm hauling when I'm hauling it, and I got the tires right there. I have a magnetic camera, and I might do that on this. I haven't decided yet. I want to play with this a little bit. I have a battery and a mounted unit that I can put on this camera, and if I wanted to, I could move this from unit to unit, just magnetic. It will work on a lot of the older campers. Some of these new ones it won't work on. So that's why I'm definitely going to show you the whole review on the tires and stuff. And I will hook it up on this unit and show you the camera and stuff in the next video. I just figured there's a lot to this, and it's going to be, this is something I want to seriously test. You know, you're talking $650. This is something that I want to actually use for a while before I tell you to buy it. But I just know their products. I know the construction last time. I liked the last one that they sent me. I just didn't like it. It was designed on the mirror. If you had an older vehicle, I think it'd be perfect for that. So, I mean, even these antennas feel better quality than the cameras that I have on this Riverstone. They're just cheesy, and they fall off, and I'm always replacing them and stuff. So I do like everything about this. It's all box nice, easy instructions, everything you need. The nice 12 volt plug-in for the stuff, for the, let's see where it plugs in on this one. Yeah, it plugs in right there on the side. So you got it right there. Power that up. Power button, type C. Looks like it's got a micro SD card, so you can put that in there, so you can record everything and keep it on there. But this was what I was really wanting to know, is this monitor. This monitor is nice. Nice quality, not too big, not too small. But they have the tires all right there. You're driving down the road, you're watching the stuff behind you, and you see your air pressures right there. Instead of looking at another thing and just having two things, your dashes get so full with all the stuff you have out there now. This is what I wanted. I think they did a great job. So I hope that you keep following us on this review. When I'm here next time, I'm going to get it all hooked up to the Riverstone and play with it a little bit more. I'm kind of curious to see how these monitors work. Oh, they've got a little battery that goes in them, and they use a CR1632, like a watch battery. So you'll put that in there. So if for some reason they're not working, you'll have to change out the battery. And they send you a bunch of batteries with it. So that is awesome. All right, just even these things. I've played with this stuff before. I've tried them on my other ones. I messed with this one. Even these have got some nice weight to them. You just feel the quality in this box. So if you've been looking to upgrade your camera, weren't sure what you wanted to go, and why buy two? I mean, everybody goes out there and they buy a tire monitoring system, and then you go with the camera that comes with their unit, and half the time it's such low quality. This is a high quality because I can tell you what the picture was on the other one that came out a few years ago, so I can just imagine what the picture quality is going to be on this one. So I'm looking forward to getting this all set up. This is going to be my personal one that I use all the time now. I'm just hoping that I can take this with me and then screw these on the trailers that I'm hauling all the time, or if I'm hauling a friend's or a family member's unit, at least I have the tire pressure up there. You know, a lot of times they'll have their own monitoring system for the back, and then I can just plug theirs in and just use it till I get it delivered. But this is going to be our new system, so I wanted to bring this video to you. I wanted to talk about this because I'm really impressed with the Halo View. It's called Halo View. Technology meets design. It's the BT7 TPMS. I've been looking at them out there. I don't see anything out there like this, so if I have, I've missed it. So leave it in the comments if you know other company that's doing this right now, how that's worked out. But I think this is the way to go. I think all these things should just come with this system right away like this. This is going to be a game changer, so I can't wait to get hooked up on our fifth wheel. I'm not hauling this anytime soon, so that's why I'm not in a big hurry about that, but I am going to use these tires on other campers and stuff just to see how it works. So, I don't know. This is going to be continued. Let's just say that. We're going to continue this one. So, this is part one of 2 parts of the review. And if you like this review, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any ideas, what do you think about this? I think this is a game changer. So, like I say, think different. And always